Hello, I am Master 11. This is my third video of the night. Today, I'm going to do unthinkable. Fuck. I don't know what the fuck I just did. So, I'm going to be singing Freebird, lynyrd by Lynyrd Skynyrd. So, I want to see if I have a good singing voice. You in the audience could tell me if I do, but I don't know. So, let's go. I love this song. This song has a special place in my heart. If I leave here tomorrow, oh, would you still remember me? For I must be traveling on now. Cause there's too many places I've got to see. And if I stay with you now, things just couldn't be the same. Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and a bird that'll never change. Oh, and a bird that can't change. And this bird you cannot change. The Lord knows I can change. Lord knows I can change. Lord, I can change. I want to die. Oh yeah. Alright, well that's it. Let me know in the comments if I'm a good singer, even though some of you don't watch. I'm lonely. Only Jason and Nick, not even Jason watches my shit. Jason's gone cold on me. He never responds to me anymore. I feel left out. Oh fuck it. Alright, bye guys.